Well guys, you gotta check this out. Look at this thing. I think this one actually is a generator. Or I could be wrong. It does have plugs on the front of it there. Man, this stuff is so cool. Look at the old engine block sitting here. All the stuff. Let's go around the other side. See what it says over there, if anything. Now that looks like a transmission there. A big heavy duty machine. Another big beam sitting here too. Fuel tanks. There's an old wood stove. Look at all the stuff sitting here. Parts everywhere. Big old manifold. Stack off a truck. More engines over there. Part of an old frame. The air suspension. Well, that's a heavy duty rear end. I guess she's cleaned out. Look at this engine. Compressor, oil pressure. Huh. That's pretty cool, eh? Let's go check out this little dozer up here. Tell that hasn't moved in a long time. You got the blade held up by a chain. Big old plow sitting there. Just a gold mine of stuff. Oh man. John Deere. Put the tracks on that, eh? Oh, they're stiff. Let's go see what's sitting over here. Looks like part of an old truck frame sitting there. Cool. More stuff sitting there. Big old tire. Just so much here to take in. Now check out this little guy. Looks like he's had a rough life. Back up here so we can get a full shot. There we go. Now those are some monster weights. Well guys, you're going to have to call her a day. So until next time, thanks for watching.